Maybe it's just algae, I don't know. Let's see. It's like taking my trash. Oh, it's a fish. Hello everyone, welcome back to Scare Productions. Today I'm here with Diamond Speckled Nature and we're gonna fish again. So let's see what we get. A lot of minnows. Should have brought my net. Could catch some. Oh, fish! No! Fudge! That was a pike. That was 100% pike. I saw that. Do you guys see that? Yes, that's your rod. Oh, dang it. No, that was a good fish. Nice striped bass.
Is it a striper or a white? I think it's a white bass.
This looks like white. It's a little bit long body. So
Actually, hybrid. Because their stripes don't align that much. But stripes, so that's a hybrid.
Yeah, all right.
Look at his tail. He's got a bit of tail splitting.
Yeah, all right. Let's put it in here.
No. Oh yeah.
Bucket.
We've got a bunch of hybrid bass. We're gonna leave them in here for a bit. We're gonna release them at the end.
Yep.
We're gonna go back to that spot and try and get some more with the cast net.
All right. First fish on the rod and reel today.
Everything of mine.
Yep, everything of it's Josh's, and we got a first tiny little bass on the paddle tail. So yeah, we're gonna keep trying now. Yeah, we'll come back here in the afternoon to continue fishing. Yeah. All right. Okay, so first fish on a rod and reel. I think like 5 more casts. Oh, I think I have something. Maybe it's just algae, I don't know. Let's see. It's like taking my trash. Oh, it's a fish. Hey Josh, I have another fish. Yeah. All right, so nice fish. Yeah. So, I don't know if you see this. I got another fish. So that's pretty nice. Yeah. So, yeah, I can't believe we're catching fish in the dude. It's only around 6. So yeah. Nice bass. Let's put it back in. And it's gone. That's a musky. There's a musky. Oh.
Grab it.
No. No.
I got that on video.
Yeah. That was a musky.
Oh, I got a fish on. Fish on. Yep, fish on. Fish on. Oh my God, it's big. Bro, it's a pike.
Look at you. You get to like I know.
Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Grab it.
No.
Ah, okay, well I got that on video.
This would be the first bass today. Pliers. Here you go. So, yeah, I got you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so nice bass on a swim bait. Soft plastic swim bait.
It was literally right here. Ready?
Yeah.
3,
Right.
2, 1. See that, buddy? There he goes.
Yeah, now I'm gonna cast at it. All right, let's go back to fishing. got another
cast,
bass.
and I got another bass. This thing is a fish catching machine.
Yeah. Let's get back to fishing. Yeah, Diamond Speckled got another bass. I had to turn my camera off. It was slow. Tiny bass. Yes, this round. Tiny bass. Again. That's a good lure right here. Yep. I really hope I was recording. Alright, okay, back to more fishing. Yep. There is a bunch of fish blowing up over there. Past a bunch of algae, so we can't get to it. So.
We got this tiny little dink just now on the hard plastic swim bait. So we're gonna go ahead and release. We're gonna go ahead and release him, and then we're gonna try and catch more. All right. See you later, buddy. That guy bit once, and then he couldn't get it, and then he bit it again, and then I got him.
Right when we're about to leave, Diamond Speckled Nature gets another bass. So take it off. Yeah. All over the place. Okay. All right. So we're gonna release the last bass of the day. Just like that. All right, and it's gone. All right, that's good. Now we have to back up. All right, this has been an amazing fishing day today. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got some nice bass and musky here today. Didn't really get the musky out of water though. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon on Scare Productions.